Hey everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today I'm going to be showing you the new Sweetheart polish that is going to be available for the polish pickup of August, which is happening August 2nd through the 5th. It is called Your Flyin, and it was inspired by the 1941 classic Dumbo. It is described as a white curly base with a mix of yellow, various blues, and a gray matte glitter with a red to gold shifting shimmer. And with this also comes a little pack of glitter that I'll be showing you afterwards. But as you can see, this one goes on a little bit sheer. To me, it almost has like that creamy white, like curly feel to it. It covers in about 3 coats, and because of some of the glitters, you definitely want to like tap the tip of your nail just to make sure nothing's hanging off so it doesn't snag. But I really liked the coverage that I got in 3 coats, so there is that. Then alongside of it, you also get this cute little bag of star-shaped glitters that you can place. To do this, you can either do it while your polish is still wet, or you can apply a top coat and then apply the little glitters on. I'm just going to show placing one right there in the middle because I think that always makes a cute manicure. And there is that. So here is your final look at the polish. This polish will be $9. The US has a cap of 90 and the UK has a cap of 10. And like I said, this will be available during the polish pickup of August, which is August 2nd through the 5th. I will have a link to the polish pickup website down below and a link to today's blog post that has more pictures and of course all of the same information that we just went over. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all back here very soon. Bye!